Good morning, everyone. You see, today we're going to be looking at a difficult but important question, which is, why did God command the eradication of the Canaanites? You see, on the surface, it seemed very harsh, but when we look deeper, we see a God who is patient, merciful, and just. You see, the removal of the Canaanites was not a sudden reaction. You see, God did not give Israel the land and then decide afterwards to destroy its inhabitants. So the people of Canaan were given hundreds of years of probation, time to turn towards God. You see, they lived among the witness of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, men who modeled God's character, kindness, and righteousness. You see, the Canaanites had a living example of who God was, and yet they chose cruelty. You see, historical records and scripture shows that the Canaanites practiced child sacrifice, violence, and moral corruption on a devastating scale. You see, God's patience was not short, it was extraordinary. But mercy rejected eventually leads us to justice required. Think of it this way. You see, if a doctor discovers a spreading infection, they do everything they can to heal. But if the infection refuses treatment, the treatments that whole body, what must be done? It has to be removed, or life to survive. You see, God's action was not about favoritism. It was about protecting the future, preserving human dignity, and ensuring that his people could grow in righteousness rather than be swallowed by evil. And here's the personal lesson. You see, God is patient with us. He gives time, he gives opportunity, voices, warnings, and grace. But walking with God requires a response. Mercy is a gift, but it must be received, not ignored. So the question today is not about ancient Canaan, it's about us. What are we doing with mercy God is giving us right now? Because God is patient, but he also wants to save us before destruction destroys us. God bless.